Hi, Atos experts. There are a few AWS funding programs available for your clients. We offer a variety of funding options to reduce costs and accelerate adoption for both new projects and expansion of existing workloads. Let's begin with AWS Value Added Resale. Our VAR service provides consolidated AWS billing, partner-led technical support, and visibility into cost and sustainability metrics. A dedicated service delivery manager ensures customers receive proactive guidance, making VAR a simple yet powerful entry point into Atos' broader AWS managed services portfolio. Other key funding programs we'll talk about include Cloud Catalyst, AWS MAP, OLA, POC, Zero to Cloud, MMP, VMP, and WAR. Each program addresses specific adoption scenarios, from migrations to optimizations to proof of concept to modernization incentives. First, let's talk about Cloud Catalyst versus MAP. Cloud Catalyst proactively migrates existing customers to AWS before their contract ends, driving innovation, consolidating data centers, avoiding capital expenditures, and upskilling teams. It provides funding for migrations, covers stranded asset costs, supports AWS-funded skill training, and enables joint marketing overall. Cloud Catalyst offers strong upfront cash and milestone-based incentives, making it ideal for existing Atos clients for these managed services clients. The AWS MAP, on the other hand, provides post-delivery funding and modernization bonuses, making it better suited for new logo customers. Both programs followed structured migration phases. The assess, mobilize, and migrate tailored to criteria eligible specific workloads and ARR thresholds. The Cloud Catalyst migration phases include 4 different phases: prep, assess, mobilize and migrate, and modernize. Each of these phases delivers defined outputs such as business use cases, solution designs, and migration plans, with funding available for each step to minimize costs. A structured process ensures funding eligibility and approval, requiring opportunity setup, ACE entry, Salesforce tracking, and adherence to governance. This workflow enables high-value, faster payouts for eligible migrations. For opportunities over $500,000 in ARR, Cloud Catalyst offers cash incentives for each migration stage, plus transformational credits. Payouts are structured around milestones and incremental workloads migrated. So let's talk about AWS MAP next. AWS MAP funds has a structured process coordinating specifically with the deal desk that works on distributed funding after a project is completed. This process ensures deliverables are not only met and approvals are secured, but it makes sure that the claims are delivered to either the partner or to the client. MAP will provide those structured funding to make sure that we accelerate the migrations, and these are specifically targeted around the assess, mobilize phases, as well as certain VMware modernization phases. And these incentives includes partner cash, customer credit, and bonuses for greenfield or for modernization workloads. Additional AWS funding options include the OLA, which stands for the Optimization and Licensing Assessment, and is a fully funded license cost for things like Cloudomize or other specific third-party vendors to assess existing environments. Zero to Cloud is a fully funded migration of a single application in 50 days to prove the AWS value. POC, or the proof of concept, is funding for the small-scale projects to validate the AWS solution. The Microsoft Modernization Program, or MMP, is a partner cash and customer credit for existing Microsoft workload modernization. The Well-Architected Review, or Well-Architected Framework, or WAR, provides AWS credits provided for the remediation tasks for $1 million ARR up to 10%. The VMware Modernization Acceleration Program, or VMP, provides cash incentives for VMware to AWS migrations. This program is in the midst of changing with the new EVC program and service. The AWS Enterprise Discount Program, or EDP, is a contractual commitment-based program designed for large enterprise planning significant AWS spend. This is typically from 1 to 5 years. In exchange for this specific targeted spend and this commitment, usually around like $1 million, whatever it is, the customer agrees for tiered discounting based on this broad range of AWS services. The greater the commitment and the duration, the deeper the discount is. Those certain points are decided during the deal. The EDP agreement can also include enterprise support and it can be customized for the specific client's needs. The AWS partners often, like us, often help structure out these deals. We provide guidance, technical architecture, as well as migration services on top of that, also known as white glove services. The AWS Solution Provider Program, or SPP, allows the advanced or premier partners, such as us, to resell AWS services directly, and we bundle those with existing things, such as billing, support services, and managed services. We can negotiate the specific SSP, custom pricing, consolidated billing, and maintain control over the entire relationship and the specific margins. The AWS Partner Incentive Programs, this is for partners that are not directly reselling AWS, but are influencing deals. This could be like Partner Opportunity Acceleration, or POA, that provides those funding to support pre-sales engineering, POCs, or specific customer workshop or strategic opportunities, such as migrations or modernizations. Similar to MAP, which is supporting those large migrations with funding and credits and technical resources, these programs often complement EDPs to accelerate the enterprise adoption while lowering costs and risks. Together, these create a comprehensive ecosystem for partners, whether they're managing the full environment, the influence in the strategy, or delivering large-scale migrations to your customers. Thanks.